So I take this to be the perfect time for vlogging. Right now I got my Manny Ramirez bobblehead. It's pretty old. It's from when he was on the Dodgers, and by the look of it, I'd say it's from 2009. And I got my Q-tips, and I have his model bat already here. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these clean Q-tips, like so. I'm going to dab it in this can of paint. As you can see, it is dark coated. I'm not going to move that. And I got my screwdriver to open it up. And we're going to see how this project comes out to be. We're going to see if it looks any better or looks good as new. Shit is strong, man. Just from that coat of paint already makes a difference. Trying to make this look as authentic of a real Louisville Slugger as possible. If I had like a little sticker with a Louisville Slugger sign on it, I'd put that on there. Hey, it's coming along. It's coming along pretty good so far. Doesn't really have a wood texture exactly. It kind of looks metallic. It's not really supposed to, but if I had, more materials for the job, I would make it look as wood-like as possible. But there's Manny's number 99. Personally, my favorite Dodger as a kid. And I honestly think that they let go of him way too soon. But so far, it doesn't look too bad, and it's better than him not having a bat at all. So, yeah. Yeah, in the meantime, I added some, of course, I added some extra coats of paint on there. It's coming along a lot better. A lot better. Just keep adding some paint, keep, dabbing paint on there with a clean Q-tip, and let it dry. And eventually you'll have it coming out halfway decent. The point is for it to look, halfway decent. But this was a creative project that I had been figuring out how to do for a while, so hopefully it comes out the way it's supposed to be. So while I had time to let the bat dry, I figured that it was time to clean Manny, because I've had him for 13 years, since 2009, so all that shaking kind of put some wear and tear on his shoulders, on his jersey and whatnot. So I got that in I got this white, white jar of paint. Big difference from that little jar, but yeah, this big old jar of paint. I'm gonna try and fit a tiny Q-tip in there and just easily go around these parts right here. I have my Q-tip, so let's dip. Let's put it in there. Can't tell, but there's paint on there. The nastiest spot on his jersey by far is right there. Right there. I already touched up his shoulder. It looks a little bit better. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be better. That's for sure. So I'm going to do what I can to get to that nook and cranny right there. Oh yeah, Manny's already looking better. He's going to be back in no time. He's going to be back in no time. To anyone who's wondering how I did this, and if you are, you're too kind, but all I did really was take some kitchen foil, and you want to bring it out. You want to bring it out to about, I'd say, that length. You don't want to bring it out very much, so you want to bring it out to about that length right there. You just want to tear it off, and what you want to do is you want to take a Q-tip and you want to size it. I already have a spare piece that I was going to use just in case, but you take this piece and you take these scissors to cut it to the length of your Q-tip. This one's a little longer than it's supposed to be, but basically what you do is you kind of add it up to the length of the Q-tip, and then you want to take this Q-tip and you want to tear off one end. So you're just going to take off one end like so. Just like I'm doing. So since you got one end of your Q-tip done right, now you just want to take your scissors right here and you just want to cut a very small piece of where you had your other swab end. You want to cut it. Hold on. Just like that. You want to cut it. And then now that you have your foil, I can do a demonstration, but I have to do it quickly because I'm running out of space for this video. So I'm so sorry for the inconvenience to whoever's watching this. And then you just kind of cut your foil up. So the process of wrapping your bat will be tedious, but all of this is tedious. But in the end of it all, it should look something like this, with your swab end, being the meat of the bat, the barrel of the bat, and that's what it'll look like. And with that, Manny's got a new bat.